Here we are!
Hello!
Happy
Welcome.
Friday!
Please stop dancing. Welcome. My name is Melinda Colette. It's my husband, Phillip Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food.
And boy, are we playing today.
Absolutely. So this is the last in our series of cooking with kids, and today we are going to make chicken in waffles.
No,
He keeps saying and.
No, you gotta say it right. Chicken in waffles. So you just use the N. You know, you gotta get that's like chicken and waffles. You know, you blend it all in together. Get that New England accent going on.
Yeah, that's a foreign language. He speaks Massachusetts. I just translate. So.
Well, let's get going. So, you guys have heard before, whenever you're making a batter, you should make it up ahead of time and let it sit so it can get puffy. Talk more about why we do that.
We just want to give the chance for the flour to absorb the liquid that we're adding into it, and a chance for the leavening agent in this. So in here he has 1 cup of Bisquick. So Bisquick is a pancake in a waffle mix,
Biscuit
and a baking mix.
Yeah.
And it has what they call a chemical leavening. So it's got baking soda or baking powder in it. I can't remember which one I looked just a
I'm going to adjust the liquid accordingly.
It has baking soda and baking powder in it. So this just gives it a chance for the baking soda and the baking powder to work, so to speak, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's put a little bit more in there, please. See?
There you
Go ahead, put it all in.
Put it all in.
Yeah.
I have more if you need it on the side. Oh, we're also making fish and chips, so stay tuned to the very end and you'll see the best fish and chips in the world. That was really nice. Okay, thank you. So I'll put this in the sink.
Please, thank you. So let that sit. Now we have to prep up our muffin tins. We're using mini muffin tins. You do not have to use mini muffin tins. This is a cute thing. And you can also, if you use the mini muffin tins, it's going to make it almost like an appetizer.
Yeah, yeah.
So I am liberally.
What does liberally mean?
Like a lot of poop load.
Okay, so we're putting a lot of butter in there.
I was PG rated.
We're putting a lot of butter in there so that it doesn't stick, okay? And if mom and dad or your person you live with doesn't have these little mini muffins, you can make it in a regular one. Just put more chicken nuggets in it.
Or just have more batter.
Or more batter.
More waffle.
More waffle.
I'm going to make sure I get a little bit of butter on the bottom.
It looks good.
I'm putting a lot of butter on here.
Yep.
A lot of butter.
More butter, more better.
And then we're going to liberally paint the top of it because they're going to might overflow. So we're going to get.
So what happens, kids and adults, is that it puffs up and goes on the muffin pan. So if you put a little bit of butter, that helps release it.
Right. So now we're using a little bit of honey on the bottom of these.
So I am a beekeeper, and I get my own honey. This is honey that we harvested last fall. And if you notice, it's probably not the color of honey that you're used to. Because this is a fall honey, it gets very dark because the color of the honey is based upon where the bees go to get the nectar to make it into honey. So in the spring, it's very light. In the fall, it's very dark. So this was almost black.
Okay.
So this was very, very late
So
harvest.
literally buttered
And honey.
and honeyed. Okay. Now we get to put the biscuit and put
So
the
this-
waffle biscuit in.
So we do use little portion control scoops. And what happens is when you're doing it like that, it's always going to be the same amount of, or close.
Well, this one here is still a little bit big, so you want to get about 2/3 of the way full. If you go a little bit more, no big deal.
It's no big deal. Yeah.
Yeah, just approximately. So I got about 2/3 of the scoop filled.
So what he's talking about is you can see there's a little bit of room for the batter to go up.
Don't forget we're putting.
And we're going to be putting in, now this is popcorn chicken, but you can use chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Go ahead, start putting it in.
Oh, I can put them in? Okay, so this is the fun part. I get to dunk. I get to dunk. Isn't this fun? Dunk. Dunk. I have a friend.
You have friends?
Yep. And her name is Cindy. And when her grandkids stay over, they get magic pancakes.
Yeah, I heard about this one.
What did you hear? Let's see if you
I
remember.
she puts a food coloring in the bottom of the batter, and so when they add the liquid, the pancakes turn color.
Yeah, so she's got powdered food coloring, just puts a little bit of pink or red food coloring in the bottom, doesn't tell the kids, and then when they put the liquid in, the pancakes are pink or red.
Ooh, baby.
That's a fun grandma. Are we going to be fun grandparents?
I hope so.
Well,
I don't know about you.
hey, you're one short.
You must have ate it.
No, I didn't.
That's all right. We're going to go in the oven without.
Okay, so we're going to pop these in the oven.
And I'll waltz this over to the oven.
You're going to do it? Okay, we're going to pop those in the oven.
Wow, this
You're going to need an adult to help you with that. No. That's not an adult. That's a child. And they're going to go in a 400-degree oven.
Alexa's going to time them for 12 minutes.
So the mini ones are going to be done in about 12 minutes. And if you would do it in a regular size, like
maybe
20,
check it.
just 15 or 20 minutes, right?
And because of TV magic, bam, Kazamo.
There you go. Now, we did put honey on the bottom of these.
And now you can drizzle
A little bit of honey
more
on
honey on
top.
top if you want.
But I told him, and I love honey. I've got nothing against honey. But I just want to use this with maple syrup. So they're your chicken in waffles, so you do what you want with them. I know you like them. What's your favorite meal is breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So he could eat breakfast for lunch or dinner.
It's like waffles and country fried steak.
Yeah.
It's made.
Maybe. All right, so I got one more thing, right?
Bit and it.
Fish and chips. Okay, Mom and Dads, watch this. It's magic. You have a bowl.
One big bowl. So do my laundry. You have your chips.
You got your chips.
Now in England, they wouldn't be calling these chips. They'd be calling these crisps.
Crisps. And then I should have opened this before. And now
You got your fishies.
we add the fish.
Toss.
And serve, okay? Oh, that's the chef. That's the chef.
Yep.
Chef mix. Not
There we go.
chef's mix. Chef mix.
Bit and hip.
Fish and chips. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed it. Please play in the kitchen if Mom and Dad let you. It's a great skill to have,
And there's a lot of the classes that we've done. We have a pizza class out there.
yeah.
The dough that we make in there is really good. The ricotta gnocchi or the sweet potato gnocchi is another fun one.
Yeah, so these are all on our YouTube channel. You can go and look at them.
There's a lot of the recipes out there. Once you understand the basics of certain things, which we've gone over a lot of basics this week, you can keep on going and plugging away.
Yep, absolutely.
All
so
right.
Until next week.
Wait, we'll talk about next week. So we still are in the discussion stage of what we're doing next week. Monday, we're going to do barbecue sauces.
Okay.
I'm taking 3 of my favorite barbecue sauces. If I can squeeze in 4, I will.
Okay.
And then Tuesday,
Yeah.
because it's the summertime, we're going to make some burgers. I know one burger we're going to make is the Vietnamese burger.
Oh, I love that one.
Oh yeah, we might have another one. I have to look at that recipe. I know there's like 4 or 5 burgers on there that were really good.
Okay, we've already done the black bean.
We've done the black bean burger out of that one. Yeah.
So, anyway, all right, guys. Until next week.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Have a good weekend.